Hi cutie! I thought I'd make a quick video of how I apply my eye cosmetics in order to avoid creasing. I am 45 years old and I have maturing skin. I only use foundation and pressed powder to prime and set my eyes. I recommend using your favorite products that you already have on hand. First thing I do is I prep my items. I have my under eye powder brush and powder. I'll load up my brush and shake off the excess. Then I prepare the brush that I'm going to use for the top of the lids with the same powder. I load it up, shake off the excess, then I get my makeup brush, which is a shadow brush. This brush had foundation on it. I just dot it on. And I make sure to look straight ahead. I am careful not to look down because I'm trying to avoid creating creases on the makeup. Blend it out. Now I go in looking straight ahead and apply the powder to set it. And then I grab this powder brush and set the top. There. With this method, I wear my makeup all day and I will not get under eye creases. So I hope you liked the video. And I'd also like to mention that I make fashion videos. So if you'd like to see that, go ahead and click my page. Thanks for watching and have a beautiful day.